Okay, in this video I'll show you how to do a multi-opening of different sizing, but where the mat board size is a priority, where the frame has already been made and you don't know what the spacing is in between the openings. So let's just say our mat board size is 600 by 500, and the borders they want could be anything, but we'll just make them 50. We bring in our templates and resize them as per the photos that you need. So there might be two the same size. A couple of different sizing here, so copy and paste. Okay, so what I'll do is select all of them. For my arrangement tab, I will use the central alignment horizontal. So if I knew what the spacing is between these, I could select them and type in my horizontal spacing. But because sometimes working with multiple shapes, here we have 4, we might have 10 different shapes. If I select just 2 shapes, down the bottom here it tells me what the opening spacing is between the openings. So to 3 decimal places, and you'll see that they're all different. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this shape here with my spacing here of a 50mm border on both of them, but I want these two to be sitting, what we'll do is make it 3 just to make it look a bit better. So I'll align them all together, and I'll just show you that the sizing between them is different. So now I will select all the shapes, and instead of knowing what the size is, I'll use the proportional button here so that the proportion between each opening will be exactly the same. Just to show you that that has worked, I'll select 2 shapes, and you can see that it's 22.733 down the bottom here. The same with all of them. We can do this the same way top to bottom, but what we need to do is make sure that all of these shapes are grouped together. Copy and paste. Drag that to the bottom. Paste. Select all the shapes. And in the vertical plane, use the same button, proportional. And all the spacing will be the same. In this video, I'll show you how to do multi-openings of different sizing and how to space correctly. So what we do is we just bring in our templates and size them as we need. So I might have 2 that are exactly the same, and maybe one's a little bit different. I'm going to use the auto size feature here so that I can enlarge the mat as I see fit. So I can just click and drag my shapes. It will make the mat as big as I need. I might copy and paste a couple of these. Okay, so first of all, I select all of them. And while they're all selected, I'll use my arrangement tab here, and draw a line straight through the center of them so that they're all aligned perfectly. And now I'll space them together, so I want a 30mm space between all of them. So now they're all spaced perfectly. So if it was just one row, your job would be finished. But if you want to replicate this multiple times, what I would do is use the group and ungroup button. So now it becomes one. Copy, paste, paste. Now because they're all grouped, I can select and drag. I will use this button here so that they will all be in the same alignment. Spacing in the vertical plane, I want 30 as well. And they're all spaced this way.